How have you tried to revive your Anthurium, and was it effective? If your method hasn't worked well, make sure to watch this entire video. I'm sure you'll be amazed by the highly effective recovery technique I'm about to show you. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's grow something beautiful together. The Anthurium is in a damaged and dying stage, so I removed it from the pot and used scissors to trim off the excess and damaged roots to prepare for its recovery. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. I chopped the tomato, added some water, and blended it into a smooth liquid. Then I soaked the plant in this mixture to help it recover more effectively. I added soil into a small cup. After soaking the plant in the tomato solution for 2 hours, I took it out and planted it into a pot to begin its recovery process. One small comment from "You can make this garden bloom brighter." After planting, I poured the blended tomato water at the base to help the plant absorb natural nutrients and recover more quickly. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. After 15 days, the plant is rooted well and produced many large, healthy, beautiful leaves. To prevent nutrient deficiency, I took an aloe vera leaf, scraped out the gel, and mixed it with water and a little honey to water the plant. Aloe vera mixed with honey helps provide natural minerals and vitamins, boost the plant's immunity, and prevent fungal and pest issues, promote greener, healthier leaf growth, strengthen the roots, and speed up recovery. No day 4 in the Sokondaner, we can donate the ciders soft together. At this stage, the plant looks very healthy. I sprayed water on the leaves and used a soft tissue to gently wipe them, allowing the water to penetrate deeply, helping the leaves stay greener, shinier, and breathe better. Your one light keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. After some time caring for its recovery, I now have a beautiful Anthurium plant right at home. If you find my plant recovery method helpful, give it a try. I'm sure you'll be amazed by the results you get. If you enjoyed this calm moment, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me keep planting more.